Craving a crunchy snack that won't derail your day? Let's talk Snyder's mini pretzels and the 100-calorie packs. These little guys are perfect for portion control. Grab-and-go convenience? Yes. School lunches? Absolutely. Peanut-free facility? Major win. The flavor is classic pretzel goodness, super crunchy and satisfying. Okay, heads up. Check the expiration date when they arrive. Some folks mentioned saltiness, but for me, just right. Overall, Snyder's mini pretzels are a smart snack choice. Guilt-free crunch? Yes, please. Snack happy. For more, visit rekaguru.com/6720.